Good. How are you? Hi, Kathy.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Hi, Jake. How are you? Good. What are you eating? Do you have some yogurt? Very good. Well, today I just wanted to meet before our therapy session to talk about how therapy's been going so far. So this will be our 4th session today. And I just want to see what you guys are feeling, and I'll let you know how I'm feeling, how things are going. So to start off, Laura, how are you feeling about therapy so far?
I think that it's going great here, but I'm not as confident with it at home. And I'm also just concerned he spends most of his week at daycare, so I'm concerned about if he's losing track there.
Okay, so you're thinking it's going... You think it's going good here.
Mm-hmm.
He's getting enough exposure to words and he's progressing,
Yes.
but you just aren't really sure what your role is at home,
Mm-hmm.
and you're concerned about daycare because he's not getting therapy at home.
Yes.
Okay.
Some more yogurt. Would you like to play with the toy truck? All right. And Kathy, how are you feeling about everything?
Well, I'm thinking that he should be making progress faster, and that maybe therapy needs to be a little more challenging for him, both here and at home.
Okay. So you're thinking that here we're not progressing fast enough, and that he needs to be exposed to more vocabulary and sentences,
Yes.
and at home too.
Right.
So you want him to be working at home as well. Do you want to go play for a little bit? Okay, I'll come meet you. You go find some toys. Okay. All right. Well, that's good to know. And just where I'm coming from as well, I think that he is progressing towards his goals in these few sessions. So I'm really excited to see that. But I hear your concerns, and I'd like to see if we can kind of meet in the middle, and so everyone's happy. As for the home, or as for daycare, have you told his daycare provider that he's receiving services?
Yeah, she's aware.
Okay. And so it's totally up to you how much you want to share with her, but it might be a good idea just to let her know what we're working on here, just a little bit. You know, we're working on this set of vocabulary,
Okay.
or we're working on 2-word sentences or something like that.
Okay.
So that's kind of up to you about that. How are you feeling about having a more rigorous programming here and at home?
I think it's good. I don't want to overwhelm him with too much. I'm concerned about that, but I think it would be good. If you think it would be all right, I really want to follow your lead.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm thinking maybe what we can do in therapy, we can move a little bit. We can incorporate more words into our sessions, and we can also incorporate more sentences into our sessions.
That'd be good.
And then at home, I can be more clear with you about some of my just advice about what you can be doing at home, and maybe a better way to keep track of it.
That'd be awesome.
If it's more clear. Okay. And so that way we're getting more rigorous here, but it's not too overwhelming at home.
That'd be great.
Sounds good.
Okay. You guys feeling okay about that?
Yes.
Did you have any questions for me?
No, I feel much better.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Great. Well, I love working with your son, so I'm excited to keep going.
Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.